Hello and welcome to Mitel training. Today I'll provide a Mitel 6930 IP phone overview. The user's name and extension appear on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Line buttons represent locations where calls can be received, or programmable buttons may be configured. Soft keys run underneath the screen. These take a little getting used to because their functions change depending on the context in which they are used. The navigation keys and select button are multi-dimensional navigation keys that allow you to navigate through the phone's user interface. Pressing the center select button sets options as well as performs actions such as dialing out from contacts or call history. On the left side, beneath the soft keys, you will notice the directory, history, voicemail, settings keys, and volume controls. The keypad occupies a central position, and on the right-hand side are the goodbye, redial, hold, mute, and speaker headset keys. How to answer a call. User IDs of incoming calls appear on the screen. You can answer the call by picking up the handset or selecting the Answer soft key. Other soft keys permit the recipient to ignore the call, send it to voicemail, or silence the ringer. How to place a call. You can place calls by pushing a line button, lifting the handset and dialing out, or using the speakerphone button. Users equipped with a headset can get a line by pushing the headset button. To place an internal call, dial the user's internal extension. To place an external call, dial your outbound digits plus the number. How to use the hold and mute keys. First, answer the incoming call. To place the call on hold, select the hold key. Push the hold key again to take the call off hold. To put the call on mute, press the mute key. Select the mute key again to take the call off mute. Learn to transfer calls. First, select the answer and then the transfer soft key. This places the caller on hold and a new line will open up. Calls can be transferred to internal extensions or outside lines using your outbound digits plus the number. Once the number has been entered, users have the option to do a cold or consultative transfer. For a cold transfer, press the transfer soft key and the call will be transferred automatically. To do a consultative transfer, first select the answer and then the transfer soft key. Type in the number to which you want to transfer the call and select the consult soft key, which allows you to introduce the phone call. If the recipient opts to take the call, press the transfer soft key. The contact screen. Select the directory key to access the contact screen. From here, you can choose between enterprise and mobile contacts. Review your contacts by scrolling up and down with the navigation keypad and selector button. You can also search for contacts by typing numbers that correspond to the first few letters of the person's first or last name. Soft keys enable you to dial contacts, organize them by first or last name, and access details. From the details screen, you can dial a contact directly or the contact's voicemail. There may be other call control features available to the user in the details view depending on their call permissions and contact type. Call history. First, select the history key. Use the navigation keypad and selector button to access all, missed, outgoing, and received calls. Soft keys enable you to dial, delete, access call details, or quit. How to create an ad hoc conference. First, select the conference soft key. This will place the first caller on hold. Dial the internal extension or outside line of the person you wish to add. To dial out, you will need to enter your outbound digits plus the number. Press Consult to introduce the conference to your desired attendee and then Conference to merge the calls. From the conference menu, you can drop callers, conference in new participants, or leave the conference. How to manage your ringtones. First, select the settings key. Enter your voicemail password and press the Enter soft key. Scroll to Audio Options and then Ringtones using the navigation keypad and selector button. The Play Internal and Play External soft keys are for playing the internal versus external ringtone variations for the selected tone. Press Save to conserve your selection. For additional training, visit learn.mitel.com.